Hi guys, I'm Sarah.
And I'm Christine, and today we're going to be sharing our top 2019 skincare trend predictions.
A lot of these emerging trends are inspired from K-beauty, and we're really excited to share all of these trends with you guys. So let's get right into it. The first trend that we're seeing is fog mist.
We love to mist. We mist 24/7 on the road. We have a mist on our desk, in our purse, and it just gives you that much needed boost of hydration throughout the day. We're excited to announce that there is now a new generation of mists in town.
It might sound a little strange, fog, but in Korean it's actually a beautiful word. It's called 안개 mist, and it also has a dual meaning of baby's breath flowers.
The great thing about fog mist is that they do all the heavy lifting of a regular mist, but in this ultra fine spray, it kind of envelopes you.
Yeah, it feels like you're walking into fog, and
Yes.
It feels really hazy, but you have all that hydration still coming in, and the products actually really do the work.
But without messing up your makeup.
We brought some mists that are actually on the shelves of Korean beauty stores that people are raving about because of how fine they are, and this is one of them. You can see that you can barely see the particles or any sort of liquid. This is another one.
Oh.
This is a common scene, by the way, that you can see on the streets of Seoul. One of our staples is Make Prem's Save Me Relief Moisture Mist.
And what's so amazing is this ultra fine spray that just once again really envelopes you in that fog of hydration. And Sarah and I like to mist this right over our makeup because it just gives you that perfect dewiness without messing anything up or
It actually
smudging.
fixes makeup too.
Kind of sets it, exactly.
There are some tips around using a fog mist. Obviously, you can mist to rehydrate and refresh the skin, set the makeup, but you can also mist each layer in between steps of your skincare routine. And that actually helps to seal in all the product that you just applied and softens the skin for the next step.
So the second trend is a topic that is very important to all of us and talked about a lot: sleep. Over the past few years, wellness has really come to the forefront of beauty. And our prediction is that we're going to continue to see a lot of beauty products that cater to this trend and products that can really help maximize your sleep time.
Some tips around that is having your humidifier on,
Yes.
having a silk pillowcase, but also using an overnight sleep mask that can give you that post-facial result overnight.
So post-facial means products that do essentially double duty. So in the case of our OG Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask,
This
which
one.
a lot of you know and love, this product not only hydrated and nourished the skin overnight, but it also contained a blend of AHAs to help exfoliate, thus the exact steps that you kind of go through in a Korean facial for that amazing glow.
We're gonna see a lot more of these double-duty hybrid products that work really hard for you overnight. We just recently launched the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask, which is a gentle way to exfoliate but also moisturize your skin. And another product that we have
is the Make Prem Peel Me Radiance Peeling Sleeping Pack. This is another really cool product that's this very unique gel texture. It's really lightweight, but at the same time, it kind of exfoliates and peels your skin overnight, but in a very gentle way.
Another trend that we're really passionate about and have seen everywhere in K-beauty is pads. And we've seen a ton of pads. Typically, they're exfoliation pads that are either packed with AHAs or sometimes alcohol. But we're seeing a lot of different categories infused into this pad format, and it's really innovative.
One of the pad formats we're really excited about are cleansing pads. The great thing about this is it's very different from your normal cleansing wipe. The pad is really loaded with amazing treatment benefits on top of cleansing ingredients so that you leave skin very soft, supple, even after cleansing.
Another example is the Charcoal Chai Glow Pad that refines pores. And this is a great example of pads multitasking. So it's not just your typical exfoliating pad, but it also helps to refine pores, hydrate the skin, and keep it very gentle.
The next trend is double seruming. So double seruming is essentially layering your serums or cocktailing your serums based on what your real skin needs are.
Yeah, and getting the most out of this because you're getting multi-benefits.
So we find this really exciting because It not only addresses the complexity of most people's skin concerns, because no one just has one skin concern. It's a plethora of different issues. And being able to address it this way is also kind of empowering in a way. It feels like a DIY.
For many of you that have multiple serums or essences, you can pretty much mix and match them as long as they're lightweight, the textures are thin. And one of the brands that we're really excited for you to try the double serum on is the Sweet Chef brand. And all these serums are made so that you can cocktail them, layer them, and play with them.
This year, you're going to see even more products that have super high concentrations of key ingredients.
K-Beauty really harnesses the power of natural ingredients and takes the most out of them. And I think that's what's most fascinating about certain products that we're really passionate about. So one of the examples is this Asiatica Calming Ampule, which has over 90% cica in the entire formula.
And cica is an incredibly calming and soothing ingredient for the skin, and the fact that it's formulated this way just makes it a powerhouse to help soothe redness and irritation.
And Lee Ji-ham's tea tree line is all about the high percentages of tea tree, the ingredient itself. And this is a great example of it, which has 80% of the tea tree extract in the entire cream formula. Another one is the Apricot Press Serum, which has 30% of the gold apricot, which is known for brightening the skin.
We're going to continue to see a lot of assets in skincare, but it's really, really cool that the PHA has come on the scene. Recently, when Sarah was in Korea, you were saying you were seeing a lot of PHA products.
There were shelves and shelves of PHA-infused products, whether it's a pad or a peeling gel or moisturizers or even treatments that had a ton of PHA in them in the beauty stores of Korea. So it's definitely inspired by the K-beauty trend, but we're going to slowly see them more here.
PHA is really interesting in that it brings a larger molecule size. And because of the larger molecule size, it takes a little bit longer to penetrate into the skin, which means it still works very well, but it's a little bit more gentle. So great for all skin types, including dry and sensitive.
Compared to AHA, it's the same in terms of result and effectiveness. It just takes a little bit longer and is softer and gentler to the skin.
And acids in general are just such a great way to get your exfoliation versus a physical exfoliator, which are more like grains that actually manually buff away dead skin.
So the Avocado Melt Sleeping Mask has 74% avocado extract, flesh, oil, and butter, as well as PHA.
An ingredient we're really excited about in 2019 is ginger.
Ginger's been building a lot of momentum online.
The skincare community is really getting a hold of this ingredient because it has amazing benefits for hyperpigmentation and brightening the skin. We have to say though, our moms used to use ginger in DIY skincare remedies when we were younger, and it was like a big part of growing up in Korea.
One of our staples in our skincare routines has been this ginger vitamin C serum shot from Sweet Chef. We love that this product is packed with antioxidants because of ginger, and it helps to brighten the skin instantly. We're also really excited about a new clinical trend coming out of K-beauty. This is all about preventing aging in a very, very new approach.
When we spoke with Dr. Park, who is the head of ID Hospital, one of the leading derm clinics in Korea, his approach to aging actually fascinated us because he was saying that facial shape is just as critical to a youthful appearance as were the lack of lines and wrinkles. And this is a departure because most of us, when we think aging, tend to think about lines that form around or the crow's feet. And his approach, which was more about contouring the face in a youthful way and keeping that youthful shape, was interesting.
Dr. Park developed a new brand called Private Doctor, which is currently available in Sephora, and it's an amazing brand that speaks to how to prevent aging by addressing the face shape. Their Minus Serum, which looks like this, is all about contouring with skincare.
Minus Serum also has a really interesting blend of ingredients, including micro-tingling spicules, which help to create these pathways into the skin to aid penetration of the formula, and also sodium deoxycholate, which is an active that's been used in in-office slimming procedures, and we've never seen it used in skincare before.
So in 2018, we've seen a lot of new vitamin C serums and treatments that came into the market, but in 2019, we're going to see even more of them now with affordable pricing. And this is all inspired by K-beauty as well. In K-beauty, serums and treatments tend to be more accessible.
As a refresher, vitamin C serums are so loved because they offer amazing antioxidant benefits for the skin and helping to brighten and even tone.
One of our favorite vitamin C serums that's very affordable is this first C serum from Liz K. And this is a fascinating product. It actually sold over 10 million bottles in Korea through a home shopping channel, and everyone is raving about it. What we love about this serum is that it smells really nice. Also, it glides like an oil without the greasiness or the stickiness, absorbs right away, and it just gives you that brightening effect the next morning. Thank you for watching. We're so excited for these emerging trends that we're all going to see in 2019.
We'd love to know which trend you are most excited about, so leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe.
Get your glow on!